Well, good afternoon all, and welcome back to my channel. Haven't posted a video for a couple of weeks, so I thought today I would post something again that's going to help other people. And it's on the Lotus Elise S2. Now, I've had the Lotus Elise S2, if you've watched my other videos, 3 years, maybe 4 years nearly now, and it's been no trouble at all. And on one of my other videos, I showed you I had some play on my near side steering rack. Now, we've recently had this done. GTS Performance in Newmarket recently changed that for me, and we used a recon part rather than original, which is 50% cheaper. So if you do need to replace your steering rack, that is what I suggest you do it with a recon part, because it's just as good and it drives absolutely fantastic. So if you remember rightly, last time on my what do I think of my Lotus S2 video, I showed you the play in my left hand steering rack, and that's all gone now. Drives better, and it is, you know, just wear and tear from the potholes and hard riding suspension, everything else, but all good, all good. Got it done for about £575, so not too bad at all. So today I'm going to talk to you about something else that I've had a problem with, which has been ongoing for a while, and we've been struggling to find out what it was. And I've had a really irritating knock coming from round about the front area here, and it's like when you're listening in the car, you're driving over some bumps, you get a bit of feedback through the steering from it, and it feels like it's in the left hand arch, sort of under there. Okay, so I've been looking for it everywhere and I haven't been able to find it. Last night I sat down and I thought, you know, I've had the steering rack done, it's reduced it a little bit, but it's still got a knocking noise. What can it be? So I went on to a forum and I looked at a forum, and somebody else on there had the same problem. So I suppose what I'm trying to say there is that look on the forums, guys, because the forums are really helping me, and videos like this really help me too, and see what you can find to help you solve any issues or problems you might have and help you move forward with it. Well, actually what the problem was a very small bracket that holds the top of the shock absorber in position. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you on my laptop exactly what it was, because I've now put the car back together and tested it, and it's absolutely fantastic. Sounds better, the noise has gone, and it's a different car. With the steering rack and that done, it's a different car, and she's been polished, ready for winter, which is good. I'm going to put her away in the garage now. What I'm going to do, I will show you on my laptop in the house the parts that I've done this morning to make it much better. So here we are, we're inside in the warm now. So this is the website that I found the forum on about the steering or the knocking noise, and there you go. So basically read the forums and it really helps you out, because bearing in mind this problem has been in the garage, and you know, people have tried to find it, so, and they haven't been successful. So there you go. So this is gonna open up another page now to show you where this is. So sorry guys, so here you go. So this is the suspension set up on the car, as you can see, and this is where the problem is here. So you've got this little bracket here. That little bracket basically bolts onto the chassis of the car, and there are two 8mm bolts that go through onto a nylock nut. Now, you'll put a spanner on them and not even recognise they're loose, but them bolts basically are not torqued up correctly. Once you torque them up correctly, all your noise and problems will go. If you're suffering from this, and from forums I've read, people are suffering from this, so give it a go and see how you get on. Anyway, hope that helped you out, guys. As always, my videos are planned to help others and to help others solve their problems and problems I'm coming up against, and from a real, you know, from somebody that owns the vehicle, not reviewing the vehicle. If you like what I'm doing, comment, ask questions, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be putting some more videos up shortly. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.